Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious vanilla pudding bundt cake. I know you guys are going to love. It's delicious and it's very moist and fluffy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious, moist, and soft bundt cake, these are the ingredients. I have vanilla pudding, a pinch of salt, baking powder, unsalted butter, eggs, milk, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, and of course, the non-stick baking cream that you guys already have on my channel. And we can't forget the vanilla extract. These are the only ingredients you need to make this delicious and amazing vanilla pudding bundt cake. So let's get started. I want to start here by adding the room temperature butter. To this, I'm going to add the granulated sugar, the vanilla extract, and I am going to cream it very good. Remember to get your butter out of the refrigerator at least 3 hours before you make this amazing bundt cake. After it's nice and creamy, you're gonna go ahead and start adding your 4 eggs. You are going to incorporate it really good, and once it is nice and incorporated, you are going to start adding the liquid, which is milk. And I'm going to whisk it one more time. Look at this. Right after it's all incorporated, the milk, I'm gonna add the vanilla pudding powder. And I am going to whisk it. Make sure that you whisk really good so that all the ingredients really incorporate to each other. I'm adding the all-purpose flour. I'm going to sift it. I'm going to sift the salt and the baking powder. Once everything is nice and sifted, make sure that none of those little balls go in there. I am going to incorporate it really good. This mixture is going to be nice and thick, but this bundt cake is going to come out so delicious and moist that I am sure you are going to continue making this amazing vanilla pudding bundt cake. Look at this. This is done. Of course, we are going to prepare our bundt cake mold. And of course, you have the non-stick baking cream recipe step by step on my channel. You don't need to go buy those sprays and spray them or add butter and then add all-purpose flour on the top. With this amazing non-stick baking cream for your baking, nothing is going to stick. I'm going to add the ingredients in here, adding everything in here, and of course preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for about 40 minutes. Just don't open your oven. Tap it a couple of times to get those bubbles out, and then let's put it in the oven. Remember, once you put it in there, 40 minutes, and then it will be done. While the bundt cake, it's cooking, I'm gonna show you the topping. I have powdered sugar, milk, food coloring, and vanilla extract. I am going to go ahead and start incorporating all these ingredients because this is what I'm going to use to decorate my vanilla pudding bundt cake. I'm going to add milk, and gradually I'm going to be adding the milk. You want to make sure that add a little bit at a time instead of adding too much, and then it's going to be too runny. You want it nice and thick So I'm adding a little bit at a time, and I am going to whisk it really good. Once it's nice and creamy and thick, then I'm going to add the food coloring. The food coloring is going to turn yellow, so it's going to really give it such a beautiful presentation that your family is really going to just love it. They're not going to want to even cut into it. But the smell of this bundt cake is really going to invade your kitchen and your home. While this is ready, I'm going to put it aside, and let's check and see if our bundt cake is ready to enjoy. Look how thick this is. That's exactly how you want it. It's been 40 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the stove, and I wanna show you how easy it comes out. Remember, go to my channel, go see the non-stick baking cream, and prepare it at home. I'm gonna stick this little, and if it comes out clean, that means it is done. After 15 minutes, I'm gonna flip it over on a plate, and let me show you how easy it's going to come out. Look at this. Look at this. It comes out perfect every time. The amazing non-stick baking cream really makes its job. Let me show you from close up how nothing sticks, nothing comes apart. It really comes out golden brown, and that's exactly what you want. There is no need of decoration. It looks beautiful just like that. Look at the mold, nothing sticked, everything came out at one piece. And of course, I have the decoration here. I'm gonna add it right on the top. To this, I am going to add edible glitter to give it that amazing and delicious look. My home smells already amazing. The kitchen has been invaded with the vanilla extract. Oh my gosh, you guys really need to make this recipe. I am sure that once you make it, you are going to fall in love with this vanilla bundt cake. And here I have the edible glitter. I'm gonna add just a little bit, and let me show you how this looks when you add a little bit of glitter right on the top. Nice and shiny and beautiful. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And here, let me show you how the inside looks. Nice and fluffy, and of course, really moist and tender. Look how easy it comes apart. Really soft. The aroma of the vanilla really penetrated that I just can't wait to enjoy. My mouth is already watering. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. Well, my friends, I am done with this delicious and tender and soft, moist vanilla pudding bundt cake. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Look how soft, and that glitter that I added right on the top gave it such an amazing presentation. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing vanilla pudding bundt cake. It comes out delicious. Your home is going to smell amazing. Well, I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. It's really tender, really soft. And that vanilla pudding really brought it up to another step. The vanilla taste is so intense and it's so moist from inside. You guys are really going to fall in love with this amazing vanilla pudding bundt cake. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. And if you use the non-stick baking cream that I have on my channel, your bundt cakes are going to come out perfection. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious vanilla pudding bundt cake. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friend, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. See you on my next amazing and delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.